Alright guys, just wrapped up this 2024 Jeep Rubicon 392. It's got the 3.5-inch RockKrawler kit, 2614 fuel contras on 38-inch Fury MTs. Do get just a little bit of rub on this rock slider here. We will eventually be adding power steps to that to gain a little additional clearance. It's got the Bilstein 5100 shocks. We're going to have the adjustable sway bar links, front and rear, adjustable trap bar, new uppers and lowers front and rear. The uppers front and rear are adjustable, the lowers are fixed. This kit is spec just for the 392, so it's 3.5 inches over the factory 392 Rubicon lift height. If you haven't seen one of these 392s in person, they're really awesome. Love the way they've done the exhaust on it. It's got the selective exhaust where you can tone it down if you want it quiet, or you can open it up if you want to hear it. You can see how the exhaust is done here. Then the valve is going to be back at the muffler. It's got the X pipe with the resonator built in. And that's all factory. Alright guys, that's going to be it on this one. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.